Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Inumber, second phone number, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Inumber is a virtual phone number app designed to give users a second line for calls and texts without needing another SIM card. It works over Wi-Fi or mobile data, allowing you to make calls, send messages, and keep your personal number private. The app is available on both iOS and Android, and it is commonly used for business calls, online selling, dating apps, and any situation where privacy is important. The app's main feature is the ability to instantly generate a second phone number and start calling or texting through it. You can manage contacts, check call logs, send multimedia messages, and use the number from anywhere. Some plans also offer voicemail, call forwarding, and customizable numbers depending on availability. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of getting a second number without buying another SIM card, the fast setup process, and the overall reliability for texting and calling. The app is especially useful for separating personal and work communication or protecting privacy on online platforms. However, there are some drawbacks. Call quality may vary depending on internet strength, and certain features, such as premium numbers or extended calling minutes, require a subscription or credits. Some users also mention occasional delays in message delivery or limited number availability in certain regions. In summary, the Inumber app may be worth using if you need an easy, affordable way to keep your personal number private, manage multiple lines, or run a small business without a separate phone. However, if you rely heavily on high-quality voice calls or want unlimited free usage, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.